I'm going to start off with the belly dance posture. For this, you're going to stand hip width apart, and you are going to bend your knees forward, but your hips are going to drop straight down with the weight over the heels. Your shoulders are open. Okay? The neck is long, and we're going to take our arms, float them down, and frame your hips. You're going to bring your thumb and your middle finger together. This is our belly dance basic position. We always want to come back to this whenever we can. It's a home base for everything, and all of our steps, all of our movement comes from this belly dance posture. The feet are hip width apart, the knees are bent. You're going to contract your stomach, and the pelvis is slightly tucked under. We want to think of having a long lumbar spine. Now let's take a look at our shoulders. We're always spending time on the computer, so naturally we might have a little bit of shoulders going forward. So for now, I want you to step face side, step the back foot forward, about 1 foot forward, and I want you to take your right arm, this is my left leg in front, and take your right arm and make it an L. Okay, we're making a right angle here. Now I want you to take that elbow as far back as you can. This will bring our head up, and it will open that shoulder out. Breathe, inhale, and exhale, and release that arm down. And let's do that with the other side. Facing the side, step the right foot forward, take the left arm out to an angle or an L shape, and draw that elbow back. Feel how it opens up the shoulder and makes our neck nice and long. Release that arm down. There, that's much better. And come back to belly dance posture.